Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're finally back, bro. Finally back from Germany. It's been like 3 freaking weeks. It feels so good to be finally back, dude. I'm so hyped. Oh yeah, bro. I missed that so much, dude. I really wish I was able to bring this car to Germany, dude. I'd be so freaking hyped. But it's been a good trip. A lot of new subscribers, dude. I don't know how, I don't know why me being there, me uploading once a week, YouTube's starting to blow up again. The views are just crazy, honestly. There's nothing even special. Like, my click-through rate's the same, my watch time's still the same, but my views is, I don't know why, it's so consistent. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everyone that's subscribed, everyone that's new. I appreciate you guys for real, man. I'm just trying to have fun, and dude, there's the past 3 weeks, a lot has been changing. And for me, I'm not trying to talk about anything until I actually succeed. Oh, dude, I miss this car so much. I'm not gonna say too much, but I'm gonna say right now, dude, something's cooking, and I'm so hyped. I think in like a month or two, I'll probably start talking about it. Sheesh, bro. Oh man, I miss this car so much. Oh, I miss this car so much. That sound, dude. Oh my. But anyways, dude, 3 weeks in Germany, man, was way too long. I was already over it after a week, bro. I was like, dude, when I was in Germany, you don't understand, guys, it's like having something to do, whether it's YouTube, whether it's trading stocks, whether it's freaking anything other than just work, dude. It's the best thing ever, because I was so bored out of my mind, bro, and luckily I still had things to do, but being able to do YouTube videos, that's what makes it fun, bro. It's like, it gives you something to do after work, after a full day of... Dude, the wine is... That is so... I love that noise so freaking much. Dude, that doesn't get old. But pretty much, oh, what the? Dude, that thing, I almost hit that bird. I was so close to hitting that freaking bird. But pretty much being in Germany, I was just there for training. One of the factories is there, so that's pretty much why I was there for 3 weeks. I'd say Germany's cool for the weekend and 5 days of just exploring. But after that, dude, America, I love America, bro. I love America, dude. America's where it's at, bro. When it comes down to food, that's where Germany's at, because they have snap. There's less processed foods there, and from what I know, there's hella banned foods that are still in America. That's the only thing I would say though, is the food in America is from what I know, it's just the way they grow their food and the way they take care of food. There's no, sorry, what is it? There's no preservatives, but the meat there is amazing. It's that's the one thing I will say. But the tax, bro, there's so many things I could say. Some of the things there just don't make sense. But America's locked it in, that's for sure. But I'm just hyped for the journey, man. You guys, hella new people are just joined, hella new people subscribed, and I was when I was there, dude, I was in shock. I'm why are my videos growing so much? satisfying. Dude, that never doesn't get old. It never. I don't think it ever will get old. Dude, these shifts are crazy. I love how smooth the shifts are. Dude, the shifts are so clean. What the heck? But pretty much, if you guys see a video that says me buying an M5 at 21, that's when you know the side hustles worked really well, because I pretty much told myself, like, actually I'm gonna go straight. I pretty much told myself if I want to get an M5 by the end of this year, I have to make this other thing work. So then I at least have at least another source of income, like supplying my YouTube channel. Because if I'm just like doing everything off my job, it's not sustainable, dude. You know, and I mean it is sustainable, but it's just not wise. You know, I'm trying to do YouTube for fun, but also do it like the best way possible, where I'm not like throwing my bank away. But for real, man, thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate all of you guys. You know, at the end of the day, having cars cool, you know, having my job is, in my opinion, I think is just, you know, this is just, there's so much more, you know. But even if I get everything I ever asked for, it's all glory to God, man. You gotta put Christ first, man. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because you never know when your last day is, man. And you know, having wealth, having cars, even having like a wife, even that goes to vain, bro. Like, it's just crazy how like we're all gonna die one day, man. And you never know when your last day is, man. That's why you just gotta give your life to Christ and gotta follow Christ, man. The good thing in the Bible is that you're not saved by works, you're saved by grace. That's the good thing. So to get into heaven, all you gotta do is receive the free gift, you know. That's why Jesus died on the cross for us. It's a free gift. That's why I want to seek relationship, you know. But also I want to seek relationship because of what he did for me on the cross. But dude, I missed this thing. Man, that's hella cars right now. But pretty much, guys, I just motivate you guys to see Christ, because the side hustle I'm into right now and what I'm doing, dude, it's been God's already been leading me in my job, but dude, on the side hustle, God's been leading me, and I just know for a fact, like, I'm not saying like seek Christ to get this, but having Christ on your side, dude, it's like having the best friend you could ever ask for on your side. That's pretty much what it is. And that's why I recommend it, bro. But man, I'm happy to be back. I'm gonna be honest, like, recording today has been so hard for me. Like, being gone for like 3 weeks, not recording for 3 weeks, and dude. This fool. There's always cops here, so I'm trying to be kind of a little bit careful. But Germany is cool, man. I'm happy to be back. It was a good time. But anyone that doesn't get to experience it, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, you're not missing out. If I had to go with my own money, I probably wouldn't even go unless I'm going to like one of those racetracks where I can like take people on a go, like, you know, take a Porsche and go like 300 kilometers. But other than that, dude, America is where it's at, man. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. America is where it's freaking at, bro. Like, we're so blessed. Like, if you're in America, bro, you just gotta be so happy you're just here. Like, who cares about all these materialistic things, man? at the end of the day, bro, you're not gonna be happy if you don't have Christ. I'm telling you that right now, man. If you guys are not happy, you guys don't have peace, bro, once you start seeing Christ and see how much love he has for us, bro, you just, everything goes away, man. Because you just realize this life's vain, bro. It goes away. It goes away, man. This life is so temporary, bro. It's unreal. But if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.